Hi. Welcome to the topic of geological maps of Malaysia. In this section, we will briefly go through the geological formation of Malaysia that consist of Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah, and Sarawak. Besides ground contour topography and several locations for geomorphology, the types of regional geological setting with the distribution of geological formation age and timeline were also being described. Peninsula of Malaysia, with total land area of 130,268 km² that forms part of Sundaland and intervening with shallow seas and also emerge a number of smaller islands. From geological map of Peninsula of Malaysia, along the shoreline area, is underlying on the unconsolidated soils deposits classified in Quaternary zone and intrusive rock. While as goes to center of the peninsula, granite with minor granodiorite classified in Permian-Jurassic zone was mostly covered. And from the western of Kelantan to northern of Johor, which between Bentang Suture and Liba fault line, the Triassic and Permian zone mainly interbedded sandstone, siltstone and shale with limestone prominent in lower part of the succession. Now, we focusing to northern region. This region covered of Perlis, Kedah, Penang, and Perak. Borbak fault line is the major discontinuity that cross these states. To Perlis, Kedah, and Sepirang Perai, these areas were underlying on the marine and continental deposits clay, silt, sand, peat and minor gravel with classified in Quaternary and Carboniferous zones. Some area locally prominent development of limestone. While major portion of Penang Island, Kulim, Grik and towards to Titawang's range consist of intrusive rocks, mainly granite with minor granodiorite that classified under Permian-Jurassic zone. Now, we go to East Coast region that covered of Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang. This region has two major discontinuity systems of fault line, which is Terengganu fault line and Liba fault line. With the zone area of Carboniferous and Permian-Jurassic, this region mostly formed of shale and sandstone with locally development of limestone and intrusive rock that mainly is granite. The last region in Peninsula is covered up from Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, Negeri Sembilan, Melaka and Johor. The major fault lines are Kuala Lumpur fault line and Bukit Tinggi fault line on upper part, and Mersing fault line at another side. The geological setting has even distribution among Permian-Jurassic, Ordovician Silurian, Triassic and Quaternary that near to shoreline. Now we cross the South China Sea to the North Horn of Borneo, or eastern of Malaysia.